the ability to track real time what's going on and not waiting for an end of the day report, or you can actually discuss what happened yesterday before someone runs a report. So your startup meeting can include everything that happened from the prior day because the data was collected live.
Yeah. Good. Okay. So Nick, I mean, you explained a little bit about how you use the software. You're mostly just getting the emails out of the system on a regular schedule. Is that right? Or
Yeah, I receive the emails every morning at 6 a.m., which for me is perfect because that gives me, it doesn't keep me up at night, number one. So I don't get the emails before I go to bed and I worry about what we didn't get done. So it allows me to see that in the morning of what happened yesterday. And by doing so, and having a familiarity with the reporting, I quickly compartmentalize what things to be worried about and what not to be worried about. And if I have things to be worried about, it's a text message or a forward of the email for more of a detailed update as to what's causing the issue. The other thing is that I have a screen in my office that constantly looks at sensor tracks and runs. So I can just look over my shoulder and get an update. Or if, someone from sales asks me and says, I hear we're really far behind, I can quickly go and say, I have a Power BI app that I use that shows, all the information around our inventory. And then I can quickly go to sensor tracks and say, are we running and are we holding up what we should be doing to kind of be able to have a real quick understanding of what's going on, since we've got multiple sites and I'm centralized in Missouri where we don't have any of our sites running.